In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to patch a hole in an air mattress. Now to find the hole, fill up the air mattress until it's firm in a quiet room. Move it around, listen closely, put your ear next to the surface of the air mattress and listen. You'll hear the air coming out, and as it gets louder you can locate it, and then you can actually feel it as it's coming out. That's one way to locate it. You can also use a spray bottle with soapy water and spray it around, and when you see bubbles you can find out where it is. Now once you locate it, what I used is a piece of Gorilla Tape, and on top of that I put some duct tape. Now what you have to do is, to make the patch work, you have to press it in firmly. So press it in firmly until you see a design, like an outline like this. So I used my fingernail to press it in firm, and also press it in around the edges of where the duct tape is that goes over the Gorilla Tape, and also an outline of the seam itself, which is very important, all the way across. Make sure this is pressed in firmly. Now this particular hole happened in the seam, and many times that happens. One of the most difficult holes to patch are the ones that occur in the seam, and this particular hole occurred in the seam of the mattress, so it's more difficult to get patched in and to secure it than if it's on the surface, and that's where it occurred. So this patch has held. There's no leaks coming out of it, and depending on the size of the hole is also going to depend if the patch will hold. It also can require either more or less tape depending on the size of the hole itself. So there you go. That is how to patch a hole in an air mattress. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.